Police Department has issued a significant circular announcing a statewide crackdown on rowdyism through the formation of dedicated anti-rowdy squads at both circle and police station levels. The circular issued by the Office of the Director General and Inspector General of Police, Karnataka State, Bengaluru on June 5, 2026 comes in response to growing concerns over rowdy activities and the need to strengthen law and order across the state. It references Standing Order number 1003 on control of rowdyism, a previous memo dated August 1, 2025 and deliberations held in a high-level meeting chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka on June 4, 2026. The circular stresses that in a democratic society, maintaining peace, protecting citizens' rights and ensuring public safety are essential. It notes that rowdy elements create fear among the public, disturb social harmony and threaten law and order. Acting on this concern, the Chief Minister has directed strict measures to eradicate rowdyism across Karnataka. It further states that the Karnataka Police Manual already provides a system for identifying, registering and monitoring rowdy elements through confidential rowdy registers maintained at police stations under Order number 1059. Despite earlier zero tolerance instructions, the government has now intensified enforcement measures. As part of the new directive, a rowdy squad must be formed in every police circle under the circle inspector, and a separate squad must be created at all police stations headed by inspectors. The composition of these squads will be decided by the concerned SDPO or ACP based on local crime patterns. The responsibilities of these squads are extensive. They will verify criminal cases and open or update rowdy sheets with disciplinary action for any lapses. They must maintain updated records of rowdy sheeters and anti-social elements and conduct continuous surveillance on their movements, activities and associations. They are also tasked with identifying emerging gangs and criminal groups, collecting actionable intelligence and monitoring repeat offenders affecting public peace. Preventive action must be taken under laws including the Gunda Act, KCOCA, externment proceedings and preventive arrest provisions. The squads must ensure execution of warrants, bonds and other legal proceedings while maintaining close coordination with beat police and local intelligence units. They are also required to conduct special drives and surprise checks in sensitive and vulnerable areas. On accountability, circle inspectors and station house officers must review the functioning of rowdy squads every fortnight, while SDPOs and ACPs will evaluate performance during monthly crime meetings. Unit heads must ensure regular updating of rowdy sheets as per the Karnataka Police Manual. For documentation, a separate register must be maintained for all squad activities and achievements. Monthly reports covering surveillance activities, preventive actions, warrant executions and enforcement measures must be submitted through proper channels in the form of demi-official letters. The circular enforces a strict zero-tolerance policy against rowdyism and anti-social activities, stating that any intimidation, extortion, illegal collection, gang activity or public disorder will be dealt with firmly under the law. Finally, all officers must acknowledge receipt immediately and submit a compliance report within 7 days confirming the formation of rowdy squads. Strict implementation has been made mandatory across all police units. The circular has been issued by Dr. M.A. Salim, IPS Director General and Inspector General of Police, Karnataka State, and circulated to all commissioners of police, range IGs, DIGs and superintendents of police across Karnataka. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.